Okay, hi everyone, welcome to our video. So today what we're going to do is to check out the Thai stock market. Okay, so Thai stock market, how is it right now? Does it get affected by this US stock market crash? Okay, so let's review those stocks that we have mentioned last week. Okay, and from there, let's see who is still the strongest stocks. Okay, which is the strong sector. By the end of this session, okay, we want to come up with a list of stocks where we can identify as the strong stocks, and also we also want to identify stocks that we wish that we are holding. Okay, so what are the difference? Basically, we want to see some of the stocks that are already on the uptrend, already going up, and also there are some stocks that have not gone up. Okay, so let's get into the work. Okay, so this is what we have done last week. Okay, so we got like the top stocks like JTS, PSG, Sabai, CMO, and all this, right? So what we want to do here is we want to take a look at these stocks. So let's say JTS. Okay, so we want to know that what is happening to all these stocks, right? So last week we saw that the stock has gone up, and what happened here is there's a blue arrow. If you follow the blue arrow right now, you are still in profit. So this is actually quite good, actually. Okay, quite strong. Okay, quite strong. So you can see that the chart, right? Okay, there's a price consolidation, and this previously this is a price consolidation, and also this one is a consolidation. So when we see this consolidation, right, we say that this is setting up for the next run. Okay, so these stocks could be preparing for the next run. So over here, of course, some people will say, hey, so high already, isn't it very dangerous to get in? Okay, the answer is this. Okay, so if you know how to put a stop loss, okay, if you know how to put a stop loss, that means if you follow the blue arrow, you entered here, right? Okay, so you put your stop loss here. So your loss is not all the way down. Your loss is only 3% or maybe 3.5%. So now as the price go higher, you can put the stop loss nearer. Okay, so if the stock is really going to be bad, then it will break the stock. It will break the stock and it will go downwards, right? But if it's good, then it will go upwards. It will break the high and continue the uptrend. Okay, so over here, JTS, I would say still healthy. Okay, still healthy. So what about some other stocks, right? What other stocks? PSG, Sabai. Okay, so let's quickly take a look at PSG. Okay, so PSG. Okay, PSG is still doing well. Okay, still strong. And basically what you can see here is this. Okay, the Thai market is not correlated with the US market. So US market has been really bearish. Okay, so imagine you are trading one of the most popular stocks in US. I would say is, okay, let's say Netflix. Okay, so if you're looking at Netflix, right, you can see that, wow, what's happening here? Okay, Netflix has fall like 50% or like 44% over the past like 2 months. Okay, so you can see Thai stocks just now, this PSG, okay, and just now the Jasmine JTS, right? It's totally like what we call it's totally non-correlated with the US market, which is good. Okay, so over here, let's take a look at Sabai. Okay, Sabai Technology. So Sabai had some pullback, but overall it's still strong. So now you got to be a bit worried, okay, if you see this kind of like a turn around, because this turnaround could show you that this is the highest point, but usually it is unlikely to go down straight. Okay, it's unlikely to go up and down so straight. So why is it so? Because the people who make money here, who make money along the way, who have made money, they want to sell average price. They want to sell as high as possible. They don't want to sell down. So whatever they make, they give back. They don't want to do this, right? So over here, okay, over here, this sub-buy is still strong. Okay, although there is a turnaround over here, but the likely thing that happened is setting up for the next run. Okay, so this is a bullish trend. Anything that pull back, anything that still above the super trend line, okay, we still think that it is strong. So this is the super trend line. You can see that if you follow the chart above the super trend line, this is a bullish trend, and after that, right now, even until now, it is still the bullish trend. So basically, the allowance, okay, the allowance, it depends on your risk profile, right? You want to put near further is $29.90, or even further is $28. So this is the so-called the key support level. Okay, so as long as this support still holds, okay, this stock is still strong. Okay, so no much change of the top ultimate bull. So CMO, CEN, let's quickly take a look. CMO, okay, CMO, if you look at it, okay, last week we said that this stock is strong, and now it's break new high. So this week, okay, you know, the share price gone up another how many percent? Okay, another like 13%, right? So it gone up like within the past 5 days, it gone up like 12-13%. Okay, still strong. Okay, still strong. So these are the stocks that you wish that you are holding. Okay, so CMO. Okay, these are the stocks that you wish that you are holding. So okay, let's put here. Okay, CMO. Okay, and JTS is there. PSG. Okay, PSG is also strong, right? So we want to update. Okay, update all these stocks. Okay, so PSG, wish that you are still holding this. It's still strong. Okay, and what else? Okay, so let's go through over here. ACC, how is it? ACC, wow, this is really nice. Okay, this is really nice. So this is setting up for the next run, right? So this is a pullback, and then it runs again. So now this is a pullback. So it's likelihood that it's either sideways or it either goes up. So that is the likelihood. So the support level over here, okay, make sure that it doesn't break. As long as it doesn't break, that's a good sign. So you can see that all these stocks, right, okay, they have smart money. So smart money is there, means, you know, you need to be confident. So although sometimes it can be quite, you know, worrying to hold on to stocks that has already gone up, like in this case, it's like, you know, gone up like 100%. Okay, but smart money is still there. Okay, smart money is still there. They didn't run to other stocks, right? Okay, so that is what stock? That is ACC is still good. WICE. Okay, WISE, WICE. Okay, how is it? How is the WISE logistic? So WISE is also same thing. Smart money still in, setting up for another run. So the support is 21.64. I will say that you want to keep the stop loss tight over here. Okay, you want to keep the stop loss tight over here. So if this stock really break the support level, you know, maybe you want to take profit. Okay, maybe you want to take profit. Why? Because as the share price goes like faster and faster, right? Okay, the support, right, tend not to be strong. Okay, the support tend not to be strong. So it's easy to break down. Okay, it's easy to break down. So you want to be, you know, be like protecting your profit. Okay, you want to be protecting your profit. So if it really breaks down next week, then you know, there will be like some kind of like a profit taking, right? Okay, so WISE is very nice chart. Okay, you can see if you follow the system, blue you buy. Okay, you got a good run over here, $1 to $5, and then after that you got like $5 to $13, and after that you got like 12 to 25. Okay, isn't this one of the best stocks in the market? So over the past one over year, this stock, right, has gone up like 1,800%. Okay, 1,800%. So this must be one of your favorite stocks. Okay, this must be one of your favorite stocks. So far still strong. So I'm not removing it from the list. Okay, triple I. Okay, triple I is a bit weak this week. So you can see that out of the 5 trading days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 trading days, most of it is below previous day low, below previous day low, below previous day low, and even Friday, okay, is below the previous day. So it is coming back to the support level, okay, still hanging around there, but you must understand this is not the strongest, okay. So there are many stocks, okay, there are many stocks in the market, but this triple I, this stocks, it seems like it is not the strongest. Okay, so there's another features over here. Okay, you can take a look at, like, what is the stocks in the same sector, right? So this is under like courier service. So Wise Logistic, Triple I, NCL, okay, NCL. So if you look at NCL, so you can see there are some stocks, right? There are some stocks in the same sector that are doing well. So this is a good sign. Okay, this is a good sign. So these stocks has rest enough already. So the accumulation happens over here. There's a lot of accumulation, and this is the breakout of the resistance, and this is a good looking chart. So on the last few days, you can see that out of 5 days, there's only 1 day reverse. So it's opposite of this, right? It's opposite of this. Okay, so same thing. This triple I, there is like this kind of like a consolidation for 6 months. So there is accumulation. People accumulate, and then it runs. So right now, okay, this game seems to be running on this NCL. Okay, so NCL must be in your watch list. Okay, so I'll probably take out. Okay, I'll take out this triple I and I will put in NCL. Okay, so what sector is strong? What sector is strong? So we see that logistic. Okay, logistic. Is it true? Is it true? Let me know. Okay. So by the way, I would like you to help me one thing. Okay, just help me to like this video, and leave a comment below. Okay, because we are building up this like a free videos. Okay, so on YouTube. So if you like this video, okay, the YouTube will share it with more people that is have a similar interest like you. Okay, and remember to subscribe to this channel, because what I want to do here is I want to like help everybody, okay, to make money in this bull market, in Thai market. So over here, I would say, definitely if you subscribe, if you share it with your friend, will definitely help me or motivate me to do more video. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's take a look at the last few, right? Leo. So what is Leo? Same thing. Leo is also logistic, but over the past few days, the 5 days all is down. So this is not good. Okay, this is too much. Okay, too much of pullback. Okay, too much pullback. Okay, so same thing, consolidate, breakout, and too much of a pullback. So logistic is strong, but some of them, they have like this kind of like a pullback, which is not so nice. Okay, so over here, let's take a look at some other stocks. Okay, so Leo I will take out. Okay, Leo I will take out, and BOL. Okay, BOL. So BOL is also having this pullback. So usual pullback, okay, this is just a normal pullback. So previously it pullback, there's like a 15%. This is like 11%. This is like 12%, and right now we are having this like a so-called the normal pullback. Okay, so this is important. Okay, this is important. If the stock is good, right? Okay, if the stock is like strong, okay, you must remember this. Okay, if the stock is strong, it must start moving by next week. Okay, it must start moving up by next week. So if next week it continues to go down another 3-4 days, then that's not good. Okay, that's not good. So if it rebound quickly, wow, then this is a really a good one. Okay, so over here, next week you got to be a bit careful. Okay, be a bit careful. So over here, super trend is still above the red line, still strong, but if you never protect your profit, right? If you never like kind of like get out on the high side, right? Okay, then you might not have a chance to catch the low. So you can also apply bottom signal, okay, on this BOL so far, because it's a volatile uptrend. So up, pullback, up, pullback. So usually during this pullback, they might have this bottom signal. If not, then there will be a blue arrow when the price turn around. So next week you want to see it turning around. Okay, smart money is still in, not much to worry, but it's not very nice, like out of the 5 days, almost 4 days, right, is having a new low, or 4 days is a sell down, right? Okay, so we got all these stocks is from previous week. Okay, it's still strong. Is there any stock that I did not see? So let me see. Okay, so if I use ultimate bull, I will want to, right now I want to see who have smart money. Okay, smart money. So these are some of the stocks that is really, the smart money is there. Okay, but if you have already missed it, then it's too late lah. Okay, so it's a bit overbought. Okay, it's a bit overbought. So over here, okay, let's quickly go through some of them. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, Plan B Media. Plan B Media. Okay, so I will put this. Okay, I'll put this so that next week we can review this again. Okay, and this Plan B is considered, to me, right? To me, it haven't go up yet. Okay, haven't go up yet. That means it's still at the pullback zone. Okay, so if the stock is making new high, that means this high is higher than previous high. That means this is already moved. If the stock is over here having a pullback, then this is a pullback zone. So this blue arrow is still at the pullback zone. This stock is picking up. Okay, it's picking up. So not bad. Okay, not bad. So let's okay, so again you put it the list. This one is already moved. Okay, this probably is Gun Cow. Okay, Gun Cow, I think this one I will say, I wish that I wish that I'm holding this. Okay, I wish that I'm holding this. So Gun Cow. Okay, so if there's really a good consolidation, then I want to be prepared for this. So what is considered a good consolidation? A good consolidation means it goes sideways like this. It goes like tight, okay, really tight and sideways, and you see this T kind of a candle. That would be good. Okay, so if this stocks next week go sideways, that is nice. Okay, that is good for setting up for the next run. Okay, all this is already run up. Okay, probably have a top signal, have to be a bit careful. So if we break out, okay, 170, this is another rocket. Okay, so you will expect this again. So if you break out of this, you expect. So let's see if it break out. So if it doesn't break out, means that is the highest point already. Okay, internet, Thailand. Okay, this is not very consistent. I'm not sure. Okay, so you can see this is the Thai. This is a life assurance. So life insurance is still strong. Okay, life insurance is still strong. Okay, Gulf is oil. Okay, Gulf is oil. So I think Gulf is still strong. Okay, Gulf is still strong. I think I think, is it here? Gulf. Okay, Gulf is nowhere here. So Gulf also, I wish that next retracement I want to be holding on. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see what is the thing. So what is the situation right now? Okay, so last week we talked about profit taking, right? So this week, just now you see, right? You see, right? Example, this one is profit taking, right? So this is profit taking. Okay, so this week you want to see that basically you want to see stock is strong stock having profit taking and setting up base for next run. Okay, so right now yes, okay, right now you want to be taking some profit and preparing for the next run. Okay, preparing for the next run. So if it goes sideways and then it break out, then this is the stock that you want to be looking at. So this is up, this is sideways, and then when it start to break high, when it start to break the sideways zone, then that is the opportunity. Okay, so over here you got a lot of these stocks. This is too artificial. Okay, a lot of Jasmine. Okay, Sabai is profit taking but still strong. This is still strong. CMO is still strong. Okay, so CMO is still in this list. The PSG. Okay, let's take a look at BLA. So last week we talked about JMART is being the strong stocks. Okay, so JMART is the opportunity. So this is the blue arrow. So you want to see blue arrow. Okay, JMART. Okay, and last week we talked about BLA. Okay, BLA. So BLA, let's take a look at BLA. Okay, so BLA is having a profit taking. Okay, profit taking. That means, over the past few days, it is a turn around. Okay, people are selling to protect their profit. Okay, people are selling to protect their profit. Okay, so the rest. Okay, the rest I think not much of interesting. So the same thing. This is Wayne Coast is also profit taking. Okay, so this is artificial uptrend. Okay, ACC setting up for next run. Wise. Okay, profit taking. Okay, so you can see that a lot of this profit taking. Okay, a lot of profit taking is going on, but this is not really scary. Okay, why? Because these stocks, right, they are still very strong. Okay, they're still very strong. Okay, so overall the market is doing well. Okay, it's doing well. It's not as scary. So IMH, this is still not yet up. Okay, so you want to put this in the list. Okay, IMH. Oh wait, let's take a look at this. Okay, some of these stocks later. Okay, let's put it at the back. Okay, IMH. Okay, so BLA strong stocks. This one I think no need, but the rest over here, these are all strong stocks as well. Okay, they're all strong stocks as well. Okay, so stock that not yet move. Okay, not yet move. Okay, I would say IMH, JMART, and Plan B. Okay, so is it correct? Let me see. IMH not yet move. Okay, not yet move. This week is doing well because on Friday it is an up day. Okay, on Friday is up day. Volume is getting downwards. Okay, during this consolidation period, it is normal. Okay, so let's say JMART. Okay, JMART, how is it? Okay, haven't moved yet. Also setting up next week. Potential Friday good close. Okay, it's a good close because it closed upwards on a Friday. Okay, the past 4 days is not that strong, but last day, it break out of the last 2 days high. And just now the Plan B. Okay, Plan B also setting up on Friday is also a positive day. Okay, by the way, you can just use the blue arrow to find out who is the really strong. So short-term blue arrow. Okay, short-term blue arrow. So you got all this here. Okay, all this is here. So by looking at the power 6 month, okay, you got the strongest stocks. Okay, line up first. Okay, Internet of Thailand. Okay, so all this, right? All this is the potential stocks. But do better in mind. On Friday, the US actually crashed, right? US market crashed. So next week for Thailand, okay, I'm not very sure it will run up on Monday. But overall, these are strong stocks. Okay, these are very steady uptrend. That means you can actually draw a line connecting the low. Okay, this is like textbook kind of an uptrend. Good sign. Okay, good sign. So find out what is this company doing. Consumer, lending, financial. Okay, check it out. Other similar sectors over here. This is the strongest in the sector. Right, strong in the sector. So this is the odd one out. Okay, Sansiri. Okay, so the rest is pretty sideways. Okay, the most traded one is JMART. Okay, this is the most traded one. So okay, so this is one of the focus in the next week still. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these stocks. Okay, is it still good or not? Okay, so last week we talked about Win. Okay, Win, is it still good? Last week we say not yet move, but then on Monday, okay, on Monday, okay, so last week, right, we do it on the weekend as well, right? So we say not yet move, okay, not yet move. So not yet move means it is somewhere here, okay, it's somewhere here. So this is like not yet move. Okay, so after that on Monday it moved, okay, so it moved pretty much, right? After that on Tuesday it shoot up from 150 to $2. Then that's really move, right? And then there is a pullback, console, like a profit taking. So now is it still in the list here? The answer is no, because it already moved and already profit taking. And then we talk about Sonic. Okay, so let's talk about Sonic. Does it move? Okay, so it doesn't move on last Friday because somewhere it's probably somewhere here, and then it break down. Okay, so it break down. So haven't moved means it goes sideways like this. Okay, but last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so it breaks down. So Sonic is out. Okay, Sonic is out. Okay, so next is ASP. So let's take a look at ASP. Okay, same thing, having this pullback, but still need to watch out. Why? I think this is having a potential big move. Why? Because this is a very nice looking consolidation with a higher low. So there's like accumulation, and then this is a fake out. Fake out means that this stock feels like it's falling, but after that it take out some people and then it quickly run up. So over here I think this is still need to be in the watch list. Okay, so let's not yet move. Okay, this is not yet move. Okay, so and let's put it there, put it back. AS. Okay, what about AS? Asia Soft. Okay, Asia Soft turn red. Okay, anything that turn red is not good. Okay, red means not good. So time to rest. So this is totally out. SMD. Okay, if you see many stock turn red, it's not good. Okay, market might goes into a correction. So we got 2 there already. Okay, and then SAM is still good. Okay, on the Thursday is not a good candle, but Friday it came back a little. So next week, okay, you need to make sure that it doesn't break the low. So this is still not yet move. Let's put it back. Okay, so what's that? Yes. Okay, so let's JWD. Okay, JWD. Okay, JWD also not very nice because of the breakdown. So next week you need to see it quickly reverse. Okay, need to see quickly reverse. So this one already break low. So if it doesn't come back, then it is not really that nice. Okay, so let's watch. Okay, so this is still, let's keep it there because it's considered not yet move. Uptrend but not yet move. Okay, so this one is breakdown. Let's take it out. Not good. IMH still there. JMART still there. Okay, so these are things that we do previously. Okay, so over here I would say yes, we got some stocks that, okay, let's see, do we still wish to hold this kind of stocks? Okay, so what I do, right, is previously we already look out for all these stocks. So what we want to do is we want to be very clear. Is this the best stock? Okay, so best moving stocks I wish I hold. So the question you ask, is this nice or not? Is this best or not? The answer to me is yes. So graph is still there. And what else? Okay, so so what else? So let's take a look. Okay, so you got like like Gulf, you got like CMO, you got this PSG, just now we talked about it. Okay, blah, we took it out. Okay, so JMART is still there. Okay, IMH, TKS. Okay, so let's see, TKS, is it still good or not? TKS, is it still good? Okay, TKS has a very strong pullback. Okay, although it comes with a bounce, this could be a bottom signal, but this is, you know, a huge, a very quick profit taking. Okay, very quick profit taking. So in this market, although you see overall the Thai market, right, is like overall the Thai market is like still bull market, but you know, but the thing is, you want to be very careful. Okay, you want to be very careful with the stocks. Okay, you want to be careful with all these you know, all these very quick pullback. You want to protect your profit. You want to be like you know, staying in the market. Okay, you want to be like staying in the market with the strongest stocks. Okay, with the strongest stocks. So if the stock is not doing well, it's not recovering well, okay, it doesn't bounce on the last Friday, then it's not very good. Okay, so let's do a few more, last few. Okay, so Ditto, let's see, is Ditto still good? Ditto also have a quick sell down. This is not good. Okay, this is not good because it's a like a 20% pullback. Okay, it's not good. So the big players run fast. Okay, run fast, is it good or not? Run fast is not good. Okay, so they take whatever profit they can take and they run. So this, I will take it out from my list. JTS still good. FPI, last one. FPI. Okay, FPI. Okay, FPI also had a sell down, run quickly, and you know, but on Friday, good thing is, you know, big players come back a little bit. Okay, so double confirm, you can use this historical high. Okay, here, you know, most of the best stocks will be here. Okay, so just now, whatever we have talked about, let's quickly go through this. Okay, rank from the highest value. Okay, Gunkao is there. Okay, we talked about it. Historical high, this Gulf, we talked about it. KKP, okay, KKP, yes, you want to be in here. Okay, KKP, but there's no good entry point, so let's wait. Okay, this one a bit not so friendly. This one is very strong, very aggressive, but not not easy to enter. Okay, advance is a nice consolidation, so advance should be here, not yet move. Okay, so advance should be here, and advance also will be the stock that I wish that I hold. Oh, I think I deleted this just now. Best stock I wish I hold. Okay, so you got like quite many stocks here. Okay, so this is a good consolidation. It is a support level. Okay, red line, this is a support level. Okay, short-term support, and yes, okay, and then, you know, let's see how it plays out next week. Tisco, we want to see consolidation for the next 2 weeks. Still good. Bangkok Sheet Metal, this is a nice looking chart. Okay, nice looking chart. Likely to break out. Okay, likely to break out. So the global market, right, the metal is strong. Okay, so this one, yes, you want to be in. Okay, you want to be in. So like put in the list, and find is there any good opportunity later on, right? So 1-to-1 OTO, no good entry point. Okay, no easy entry point. It's just a very quick breakout after this consolidation. So you can see that consolidation, right? This one, okay, is exactly what's happening. Something like this. Okay, this is like a consolidation. Okay, a consolidation. So this is consolidation, and that is also a consolidation, right? Okay, so over here, okay, over here, is if there's any stocks that I miss out, please help me to like type in the chat, okay, type in the chat, so that we know that there is like other stocks, okay, that we can watch. Okay, so let me quickly just go through the stocks. AP, okay, AP not very fast, probably is a very defensive stock. PSG, very cornered, okay. Okay, advanced, okay, it's all here. Cornered stock. CMO is still good. Just JTS. Okay, so we got like most of them. Okay, so again another metal stocks. So just now we talked about the metal stocks. So is this one of the best? I would say yes, but the volume is a bit low. Okay, low volume metal stocks. Okay, so that is one of the lowest volume. So metal sectors, okay, metal sectors, logistic, metal, okay, metal, and what else? What is Gulcow? What is, okay, Gulf is oil. Okay, advanced. What is advanced? Okay, what is OTO? Okay, what is OTO doing? This is business support service. Okay, and what's JMART doing? Okay, this is computer retail. What is okay, heavy electrical equipment. So there's like different sectors. There's like running up. Okay, and from there you can see that like JMART overall is the other stocks is actually pretty weak, but overall in the big picture they are all bullish. So JMART, one of the closest, okay, maybe is the pink color one, SIS, okay, SIS distribution. So this is also having a pullback. All right, so okay, so over here, okay, I think my camera is down. Okay, I think, yep, okay, I can't show you my face. Okay, let me see. Okay, just wait a while. Okay, my video is back. All right. Okay, so that is the, okay. So basically, right? Okay, we have shared with you like quite a few good stocks. Okay, so what we want to do in this current market, right? We want to adapt. We want to adapt to the most strongest uptrend. So if everything is falling, we want to be taking profit. Okay, if the market is taking profit, you want to be taking profit. Okay, so let me repeat one more time. Okay, if the market is taking profit, you also want to be taking profit. If the market reverse and go higher, you also want to get back in the market. So what you want to do is you want to go with the market, don't want to go against the market. So if you find that your profit disappear very fast, that is profit taking. You want to learn how to take profit, protect your profit, sell half, sell 70%, and later on the market, when it reverse, okay, is still good. So do check out the short-term blue arrow. Okay, the short-term blue arrow will help you to like pick up some opportunities over here. Okay, so all here there is many opportunities. Okay, so NCL is like one of the opportunity for next week, and JMART is also one of the opportunity for next week, and so on. So over here, there's quite a few stocks. Okay, quite a few stocks. So JMART, okay, and just now what we say, NCL, okay, NCL. So this is the blue arrow. So for first blue arrow, is there any good first blue arrow? So let's see first blue arrow. Okay, first blue arrow. Okay, is there any like interesting ones? Okay, so this is a bit fast. Okay, this is a bit fast. This is also a huge breakout with volume. So let's watch. Okay, let's watch for the move next week. Okay, other than that, I think, yep. Okay, I think nothing really like much. So let's say at the bottom master uptrend, what's that interesting over here? Healthcare sectors might have a rebound. Okay, so you got like this kind of like food processing stocks. Okay, these are the bottom signal. So these packaging stocks might have some rebound. Okay, reaching the support level. Singer. Okay, so you look at this. Does it looks good to you? Singer, is it good? Okay, so Singer, if you follow the previous bottom signal, this is the bottom signal. This is the bottom signal. This is the bottom signal. This is the bottom signal, but if you can get it at a lower price, that will be even better. Okay, but because this day that is a big candle, so if it's a small candle, that will be easier. Okay, more. Okay, this is selling down, not a fantastic. This is a Ford. Okay, Ford. Okay, potential turnaround, business support services. So same as some other stocks. Okay, so Ford is having a pullback, but the overall sectors, has been very strong. Okay, so same thing here. This is insurance having a small little turnaround point. So insurance, last week we say still strong, right? But there's a profit taking. Okay, so this one, if you are playing these stocks for bottom, stop loss and entry point is very small. Okay, small loss. You want to cut loss very fast if it's wrong. Okay, so overall, okay, I think, yep, okay, Thai market is still strong. Okay, still strong. So remember, okay, to stay safe, okay, remember to take profit, sell into strength, things like that. Okay, and stick to the best stock in the market no matter what. Okay, that means no matter what, your stock is not good, you change to the best. Okay, change to the best. Always change to the best. All right, so that's all for me for today. Thank you for watching this. I see you in the next video.